What we know.
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 Travelling.
Australia.
Caravanning.
Camping.
What we know.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of
What we know. What we know this week is free camping along the coast of Bay of Fires. We're going to let you know what we know about the best camps in the area, so let's go check them out. Righto, just a bit of info about the area. Bay of Fires runs from Bennelong Bay, which you can see right behind me. It runs all the way up to Eddystone Point, which is way up in the north. It is most known for its amazing blue water, stunning white beaches, and the orange lichens covered boulders, which are everywhere. Absolutely amazing place, so let's get stuck into it. So while Bennelong Bay itself doesn't have a free camp, it has a boat ramp.
it has a park and a tennis court
Stunning rock pools.
and a great lookout.
So the first free camp you come to on the area is Grant's Lagoon. It's the closest to Bennelong Bay. It's not actually on the beach as such, but it does have that cracking little lagoon that you can throw your boat into. It has massive sites, so there's plenty of room for those bigger rigs if you've got them. There's toilets, as you've seen, no shower. Easy road in here. You're probably 3k out of Bennelong Bay and about 400 metres in on the dirt. Yeah, it's a cracking little campground, so definitely worth checking out.
Gina at Beach Camp here. It is a fantastic beach camp. Short drive in from the main road. It has smaller sites, so not so good for big rigs. It has toilet facilities, but take a look at this beach. It is a great swim beach and we've spent a lot of time here swimming.
next along, the most popular and probably most infamous of all the camps along the Bay of Fires area is Swimcart Beach. As you've seen, there's the bigger camper area over the top, which has good access for bigger rigs, plenty of spots. It is very popular, so if you want to get a spot anywhere along here, you need to time it well or get here early. And then you come along on what is affectionately known as Millionaires Row. There is 2 lots of toilet blocks. There's one for each campground. But yeah, if you manage to get a spot along Millionaires Row, you get views like this. South campground. You can get vans in here. Again, it has toilets, but look at this beach. It's amazing. Now just down the road at Cozy Corner North, we have a great huge campground here, short distance from the main road, camping on the right and left as you come in. It has drop toilets, and like with all these campsites, you need to bring your own water and take your rubbish because we don't want to destroy this beautiful beach. Next to we come to a Seaton's Cove and Sloop Reef. Seaton's Cove was on the right as we come in, Sloop Reef on the left. No facilities whatsoever. Neither of them are really that suitable for bigger vans, more for campers and whatnot. Can't pitch tents definitely at Seaton's. Not sure about here, but I think it's the same at Sloop Reef as well. But absolutely beautiful area, perfect for diving if you're into snorkeling and whatnot. But yeah, pretty small, not many areas either. So yeah, not as good as the others, but still here. And then last but not least, we have Policeman's Point. It's a big campground on the right hand side, which will take all size rigs. Over the left along the water there is sites, but bigger rigs may struggle to get in, and it's pretty popular. There's a lot of people in them. It has toilets, no showers, no bins, so you've got to take all your own rubbish. Pretty much be self-contained except for the toilet. There's good fishing, as we know, because we caught some. The water's beautiful out the front. It's a cracking place to go, and it's about 48 kilometres north of Bindalong Bay, so it's a little bit up. But yeah, perfect spot for the bigger rigs and if you want to get away from more of the people.
that's a wrap on what we know, Bay of Fires, free camping along the east coast of Tasmania.
Hope you got something out of this one. If you know something we don't know, drop it in the comments. And if there's something else you'd like to know that we know, also drop it in the comments. But anyway, tune in next time for what we know.
With Trip Into the Max.
Max. Alright guys, we're out of here.
See ya.
See ya.